Hello everyone, this is Utpal Sinha from the SSM Academy. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some of the most useful Chrome extensions that will actually help you to save a lot of time and be productive at the same time. But before I get into the topic of this video, I just want you to know that the SSM Academy has taken an initiative called the Digital Marketing T2 series, in which we're going to be sharing various useful digital marketing tips and hacks on every Tuesday right here on the SSM Academy YouTube channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications too, so that you will be the first to know of any new videos that you are going to post on this channel. So if you don't have access to fantastic tools that give you fantastic information, it's gonna be a lot more harder for you to do your job as a digital marketer. With that said, in this video, I'm gonna share with you the 12 most useful Chrome extensions that will actually help you to become a super productive marketer today. So let's get into the topic of this video and let me share the top most useful Chrome extension that I love using on a regular basis for all of my day-to-day work. The first extension that I love using is Grammarly. Grammarly is a one-stop solution for all the marketers who are looking to, fix their writing, to, fix their grammar skills, spelling errors and things like that. And Grammarly, it's so much cheaper than paying an editor to fix your article. It tells you all the errors and what you need to fix to get your article on the line. And it is absolutely free, so be sure to check it out and use it. And whenever you write any articles, even if it is in WordPress, there will be a green Grammarly icon and it tells you if there is any errors within your content that you need to fix. And it does the same when you are publishing content on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other social media channels. So as a digital marketer using this tool, you can be sure that you are publishing spelling and grammar free content at all the times. And this is one of the most important optimizations for search engines and for your target audience as well. The second extension that I have for you is Buzzsumo, and Buzzsumo is a tool that shows you a detailed breakdown of how articles and topics are performing online, and you can just visit any page and you can click the specific extension icon to see some instant performance metrics. And this tool even allows you to create real-time content strategy, or you can brainstorm content topics for your next blog post article as well. And that way, when you are reading some random articles around the web, and if you see the article has a lot of shares, it has a lot of likes, engagements and all, you can be sure that it's going to be a handsome strategy for your content marketing efforts. And this will also help you improve what you are doing, so that you can create the best information or the best article out there. So now let me share some of the best SEO extensions. So one of my favorite SEO extensions is Keyword Surfer. And in the previous days when Keywords Everywhere was free, I used to use Keywords Everywhere. But as of now, they have stopped showing the search volume data in the free version. And if you pay for it, it's absolutely great. And in case if you do not want to pay anything, then Keyword Surfer will be your best friend here. And it's a 100% free tool that gives you all the search volume data and all the other related keywords that you can actually use to optimize your articles to rank well on search engines like Google. Next extension that I have for you is Mozbar, and it's a pretty valuable tool that allows you to see how popular your competitors are. And Mozbar allows you to run a quick SEO overview on any page that you are on, or any pages listed in the search engine result pages. And it will also help you to analyze website content, social media engagement, technical SEO, backlinks, domain authority, and even page authority as well. The next extension that I have for you is SimilarWeb, And SimilarWeb shows you various key metrics for any sort of website, including engagement rate, traffic ranking, keyword ranking, traffic resources, and everything. And it allows you to look much deeper into engagement metrics such as traffic, average time duration, bounce rate, and much more data that you can actually use to beat your competitor. And what's more, it also allows you to see your competitors or target audience demographic and even the amount of money that they have spent to promote their content online. The next extension that I really want to share with you is redirect path, and this tool is much more than just a broken link checker tool. The redirect path extension can also help you to find any sort of technical issues on your website, and if you run into any errors you will see a red notification, and once it fixed it will change to green, so you will know what you are doing is absolutely okay or not. The next extension that I have for you is Google PageSpeed Insights, and we all know that page speed is a huge ranking factor when it comes to search engine optimization. And if you have a slow page, your visitors will bounce right away, and your rankings will also suffer as well. So this extension will help you to see how fast your site is loading in just a matter of click. And not only that, but it will also give you suggestions on how to fix the page speed to rank well on Google. So the next extension that I really want to share with you is SEO Quick, and it's a super fantastic free tool that gives you access to a lot of valuable information that you can actually use to optimize your SEO strategy. So as soon as you visit this page and install the extension, what you have to do is just visit any web page or any website that you may want to analyze, and just click the specific extension icon. And here you could see it gives you a lot of informations like backlinks, traffic analysis, and you can get a lot of information. So please be sure to check this fantastic tools, and you will thank me later as long as you install this tool and have a look at your competitors SEO. The next extension that I want you to try out is Liner. Liner is a very useful tool to highlight any particular portion of an article. For example, if you come across a great piece of content but you only want to remember any specific line, so here Liner lets you highlight that particular portion of the article. And it keeps you organized, and it also allows you to keep track of all the relevant information in a big article. And not only that, but you can also save your highlighted text as well. So the next extension that I have for you is LastPass, which is a free password management tool. So if you click the icon here at the top of your browser, you can either go to Open My Vault, which contains all of your passwords just like the built-in password management system, and it does autofill your username and password, which will actually help you to save a lot of time when logging in. And here is where you get a tool called generate secure password. So let's say I want to create a password, and the password length would be 8, and I can choose whether I want to use any uppercase, any lowercase, number, symbol, and everything, or if it is must be uh, easy to say or easy to read, all I can do it here. And just once you're done with all the settings, what you have to do is just click on fill password, and you will get the password, right? So this is a very fantastic tool, and what I also like about LastPass is that it syncs with the LastPass mobile app, whether you are using any Android or an iPhone. And so whenever you are on the go, you can actually get to those particular logins straight away on your mobile devices. The next extension that I have for you is Speechify, which reads out any text on a particular web page. So for example, you can visit any blog post that you want to read, and you can just click on this specific icon and you will get a box like this, right? And here you have a few options as well. For example, you can choose the speed, you can change the voice. Like for example, if you're from India, what you can do is just search for India and you will get an Indian voice, right?
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अदिति है। मैं एक हिंदी की आवाज हूँ।
The next extension that I have for you is TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy is a tool which is especially useful when you are doing YouTube marketing. And using this free tool, you can actually spy on your competitors, like what tags they are using, how they have optimized their video, and you can even get keyword suggestions as well. So that's it, the 12 most useful Chrome extensions to become a super productive marketer today. And additionally, I will also attach some more useful extensions in the description below. So please be sure to check it out and feel free to share with us if you have any specific tool that you think is useful for digital marketers. And also, if you have any questions related to digital marketing, please feel free to share them in the comments below. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.